What's up, everybody? Jesse, Southern Reels Fishing, back out on the water finally. Out here hanging out with my good friend. Keith, man, I'm terrible. You gotta forgive me. That's one thing I am terrible with, his name. I am sorry. I was rolling with it too. All right, redo. Take two. Hey, what's up, everybody? Jesse, Southern Reels Fishing, back out in the yak fishing finally after a few weeks off, hanging out with my buddy Keith over here. And we're out, I mean, screw it, I'm just gonna tell you, we're out in the James River today, and we're gonna fish a spot that, you know, sometimes really holds some good quality fish this time of year. And it's a good mixed bag of fishing here. You can pretty much get anything from catfish to trout to striper. I mean, there's no telling what we might find up in here, so that's kind of exciting. And we're just going to hang out in this nice calm day, fish for probably catfish mainly, and then explore around, see if we can find anything else after that. Wish us luck. Hopefully we get some good fish in the, I almost said boat, good fish in the yaks. All right, y'all, so this is what I'm going to be fishing with. Just got my bait caster I use for like tog fishing. Got some 20-pound braid on here, I think, and a 3-way setup. Got a big old hump of shrimp on a 6/0 circle hook, and a sacrificial leader, slider mono, going to that sinker, because there are some snags out here. Man, it's a beautiful day out here. We couldn't ask for much better condition-wise. Here we go. Yep. There's a little blue cat. It's talking to me. There we go. Little blue cat. Start the day. A little baby one though. We need some big ones. Yep, I think I got one. Yep. I got a good one. That feels a lot nicer. Oh yeah, it's a lot nicer than a cat. Come here. There you go. Heck yeah. That's what I come here for, folks. I've got my stuff all tangled up. Get that beast. That's a fat boy. Open up. Open up. Gotcha. Yeah, gotcha. Little circle hook got you, didn't it? Damn. It's hooked good. Alright, don't hook me. What are you doing? Get out of here. Nope, not the pliers. You come back. Yes. Probably, he's longer than my board. 32 inches, maybe. I can pick him up. Oh, good God, you've been eating good. That is a fat dude. All right, buddy. I'll see you later. I'll go catch some more of you. I'm already getting hot. Oh, good God. That dude grabbed it. Well, it's just a really aggressive catfish. Good God, he smacked that thing and took off. That's another nice one. Got you. Yeah, I got you. There we go. Another nice one here. All right, pose for the camera. I'll put you back. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you, man. Doing good so far. I haven't lost a lure or a rig yet. I wasn't so lucky last time. Probably went through 8 or 10. Yeah, there we go. Heck yeah, right by the Marine Police. I love that. Oh, come on back up. Good old shrimp. Shrimp catch everything. Come here. You done? I got all day. But yeah, boys. Very nice one. See, buddy. Well, let go. There we go. Let go. You won't let go. He's gonna take my pliers. I got a mouthful of water. That was gross. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna drink that now. All right, folks, took a little snack break to retie my rig and borrow some weights from my buddy. I ran out of 3 ounces. Done pretty good fishing with the shrimp today. They seem to like them. Cheap bait. Works for me, but works for them. You know, I don't mind this kind of fishing at all, really. Especially when there ain't much else going on. It's better than sitting home. So there we go. Go ahead, take it, boy. Quit playing with it. Hit it. You got it this time? Yep, you got it that time. Hey, I caught a drum. Yeah. Look at that puppy drum. Heck yeah. Something else besides a catfish. Shrimp catches everything. There we go. Little puppy drum. Huh. Go figure. See, buddy. That's nice right there, brother. Hold on, let me get a shot at it. Heck yeah. Pretty fish, man. Yeah, good work. Cut bait?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man. Alright, folks. So I knew I was getting hits by something other than catfish. So I downsized. Tied up just basically a hand-tied bottom rig with a long leader on it. Just hooking the shrimp like this so it doesn't spin on me and tangle my stuff up. Just a 1 ounce sinker. Pretty much just working the bottom. That one I just caught was like an 1/8 inch shy. And as soon as it hit the bottom, another drum. Yep, as soon as it hit the bottom, he hit it. It was 17 and a half. That ain't bad. There we go. Go ahead, take it. Got it? Yep, he did. Ah, look at that. What I wanted. A nice puppy. Oh, don't break my rig, I just this puppy drum down here, I just got another one. I think that's what was pecking away. I went to like a smaller hook bottom with like just a little 3/0 hook. Finally got them because they were pecking at the other one, but I couldn't ever hook them. Yeah, nice drum. 17 and 7/8. 17 and 7/8. Yeah, 1/8 inch more would have been nicer. Still pretty fish. Oh, there we go. I don't know if this is another drum. If it is, it's a decent one. Might be a cat. It's hard to tell. Kind of sitting in here together. Nope, that's a drum. I just got another one. Oh, yeah, check it out. 17 3/4. That's funny. Beauty though. Got another one. Yeah, there's a school of them here, man. Keep on, I might catch a keeper. Ah,
keeper. Keep one of these bad boys. I love drum. There we go. He barely had his tail hooked too. Hey, another puppy. Yeah, folks, I'm pretty much just working this current right along the edge. Just kind of downsized everything to lighter weight, smaller hook, and I've been getting puppy drum that way. Pretty much right steady. That was like my 8th one there, I believe. I guess I could try jigging for them, but honestly, I don't care what I'm using to catch them. I kind of am jigging almost, just with a piece of shrimp instead of a grub. Seems to be working. First catfish I've actually caught in a bit. Been catching all puppy drum. Little kitty cat. Tell ya. Got you that time. Is it a cat or is it a drum? It's a cat. Another one. Feels like a fish. Yep. Another beautiful one. All right, folks. Oh, another meaty one. It's been a good day. All right, buddy. I'll see you. I didn't take my pliers with you. All right, folks. I mean, it's pretty basic, really. Just kind of working it along the bottom, trying to keep it just off the bottom. I've only got a 1 ounce sinker on it, so I mean the current is kind of moving us pretty fast. Kind of want to just keep bouncing it just barely off the bottom so it doesn't snag. I'm just kind of drifting along with the current. Sometimes I'll pedal a little bit so it gets ahead of me. Well, actually, so I'm ahead of it and it's behind me. Seems to get snagged a little bit less that way. Fish seem to bite it better that way too. The same little spot has been delivering all day today. I think this is a drum. Is it? Yep. It's a nice one actually. Another keeper. Thank you. 18 inches. He is a keeper. I already got one though, so anyway, pretty drum. Thank you, buddy. Here we go. Give him some slack. So, I think that's another puppy. Feels like it. Nope. I think that's another catfish. Feels like it. Sorry. Well, there you go, folks. Another nice cat. It's good eating size there, actually. See, bro. All right, y'all. I think this is going to be my last little drift. Put this half a crab on here. See if we can land one more, maybe. And call it a day. There we go. Well, that worked good. That's another nice one. He was on that crab. Gotcha. Man, I dropped that half a crab down. It was like jiggy jig. It was gone.
If you broke any of those crabs,
Yeah, no. Well, I tried some earlier, but
that's a nice one too.
it was on that thing.
That might be the biggest one of the day.
Because I'm out of shrimp. So I was like, yeah, let me use these crabs. Look at the belly on that dude.
Yeah, he's a big one. He might be the biggest one of the day.
Good God, look at the belly on that beast. He been eating good. Yeah, he's about 29. It's a beast. Don't drop them in your lap. That would suck.
Just a hair under 10.
What? Good Lord. I swore it'd be bigger than that. It felt like more. Heck yeah, that's awesome.
Right at 10. Right at 10 pounds.
Yeah, go right. No, not even. He's too big. I wonder. They probably got worms and all kinds of stuff in them. Well, folks, that was an awesome day out here. We had a blast. We killed some fish today, ain't we, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did good, man. Lots of catfish, some big ones, some nice drum. That was actually a surprise. So we're going to get loaded up, cap off this day. Thanks for watching. Peace out. See y'all next time.